Pang ito'y mamalaging bukas sa mga taong inutusan mo at sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong. Ito'y inihiling namin sa ngalan ni ating Panginoon Jesucristo, ating Panginoon.
Purong pagmamahal.
Okay, sir.
Be it known by all, on this day, 17th of March 2023, the Union Office of the Bagong Kapusanan ng mga Manggagawa sa Philippine National Railways, the office blessings and ribbon cutting of ceremonies were held on April 10, 2023, led by PNR General Manager Jeremy S. Dihino and Amos of President Dr. Conrado F. Oca.
Whenever we ask for blessing, we're asking for salvation. Sa Jesucristo ang pintuan ng kaligtasan. Ito inihiling namin sa ngalan ni ating Panginoon Jesucristo, ating Panginoon. Ito ay bibigyan natin mula sa langit upang bantayan, mahalin at kalingain ipagtanggol ang mga taong magagawa ng serbisyo sa lusaning ito. Sumainyo ang Panginoon. Hi guys!
I would like to stress the importance of a dialogue. Ito lang siguro ang importante ko ma-explain sa inyo. There is nothing, no problem in this world that the good dialogue cannot solve. I will share to you my experiences when I was the commander of several provinces. When I was in Cagayan de Oro in the late 70s, early 80s, the pre-martial law protests were a common sight everywhere. And Cagayan de Oro is also a hotbed of militancy because we have a Monsignor there, Monsignor Prunin, who is with apologies to the church. Pero sila identified na kasi itong very sympathetic to the enemies of the government that time. Yung aming governor, I do not know if you still remember, Senator Humupuno Adasa. He's an ultra-militant. Tinatanggal din yun. So I have big problems in solving everyday halos may protest, may demonstration. I do not want to hurt people. But incidentally, their spokesperson was a lady, a woman. Sabi ko, ligawan ko kanya ito. Ay, that time, medyo ano pa tayo. 30, yung aking waistline nun, 30 lang yata eh. Medyo makilas pa. Ay, naging ano ko, naging kasintahan ko. So, nawala yung the most vocal militant during those turbulent years of Cagayan de Oro City. When I was also assigned in Surigao Sur, another hotbed of the NPA's, Father, I think you know this, there were two priests there who were ultra-militant also. I do not know if you remember, matagal na yung Father, early 80s. Father Falcon, you remember him? And Father Mercado. Namundok yun. But during my time, I took extra effort. I went out of my way to befriend them. I always visited Father Falcon. I made him a resource person in our seminar. I went to Father Mercado, play tennis with him, play basketball, and we became friends. We have good dialogue. That's why when I traveled that long stretch of the province of Surigao Sur, wala akong dalang baril. Ang dala ko lang tennis racket. I propagated the sport of tennis in that place. That's why I was very successful in saving a lot of lives, a lot of money, because of dialogue. May term na ginamit noon ng Secretary of National Defense sa mga lugar na maraming mga NPA na hindi makontrol, na palaging gera. Sabi nila, why don't you apply the tactics of General Lastimoso, Colonel Lastimoso, Colonel ako nun. You Lastimosize the priest. Yun ang term niya. Lastimosize the priest. And I'm very proud of that record dahil medyo gumanda ang takbo ng Surigao. Nung umalis ako, bumalik. Namundok tuloy yung pare. O, araw-araw may ambush, maraming pinapatay. So dito ko inaano yung dialogue. There should be constant dialogue between management and the union. And no problem will occur dito sa ating sa Philippine National Railways.
Together we rise, divided we fall. And together we will rise with a common denominator. Ano po ang common denominator natin? Una, pagsilbihan ang taong bayan. Sila po ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito. Pangalawa, pagsilbihan natin o panindigan natin kung ano po ang tama at iwasto natin ang katiwalian. Kaya natin to sapagkat pinagdaanan na natin ang pinakamahirap at pinakamadilim na yugto ng PNR. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa ating GM, Jeremy Espino.
Nakakuha tayo ng pondo under the Marcos administration ng $6 million
para simulan ang pag-aaral, feasibility study ng Clark to La Union, to Vigan, to La Union. Ang papunta ng Railway Siha, lalong lalakas ng Philippine National Railways.
Hi guys, grabe, Telesim Philippines #1. Mura na quality pa. Ito pa yung gamit natin sa ating motovlogging. Ang ganda niyan guys. Sobrang ergonomic yan. Komportable, ang ganda pa. Very slick lang yan. Angas. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Walang papapaw. So thank you so much sa walang sawang support, tiwala. Wala akong masabi kundi thank you so much. Thank you sa Panginoon at ingat kayo palagi. Again, kung wala akong papapaw. So thank you so much. God bless you. Purong pagmamahal. Thank you so much. God bless.